Hey guys, back with another Gorilla Tag fan game tutorial, and today I'm actually going to be teaching you how to actually add the Gorilla Tag locomotion into your Gorilla Tag fan game. So you're going to first want to import package, custom package, go into the description below, and go in the Github, and then you want to get the Gorilla locomotion Unity package from the Github below, and then you want to import that into your game. Reload. Okay, you want to go into scenes, Gorilla locomotion. Okay, now we actually have the Gorilla locomotion scene and our Gorilla rig here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Window, Package Manager, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Unity Registry. Then we're just going to want to type in XR, and then we want to get these two things: the XR plugin management and the XR interaction toolkit. I will skip to when I have them both. Okay, so when you're installing the XR Interaction Toolkit, you'll get a pop-up. You just want to press yes, and then on the next pop-up, you're going to want to press I'm ADA backup, go ahead. And then this is going to close down the Unity, and then it's going to reload it in just a second. And now the Unity is loading back up. Okay, so when your project's loaded back up, you want to X out of here. Then you want to go to Edit, Project Settings. Now you want to go into the XR plugin management down here, and then you want to click on the plugin provider you want. I'm going to do Oculus for this tutorial, but you can do either Oculus, OpenXR, or Unity Mock HMD. Well, personally, I would recommend Oculus or OpenXR, because I'm pretty sure they give the most variety to players. And when that's done, we're going to go over to the Android section here, and then just click on the same one. Okay, so now, what you want to do is that you want to go over to click on the one under plugin management, and then go to the monitor. Then you see how it's single pass instance. You want to change it to multipass. And then when you've changed it to multipass, that should be it. So you can just playtest your game. You don't have to be in VR to playtest a game. You just have to be able to use this. So what you want to do is you just want to Gorilla rig, Gorilla player, left hand or right hand controller. And that's pretty much how you get Gorilla Tag locomotion in your VR game. So I hope that helped, and yeah, I hope you have a good one.